Hey guys, my name is Marlo Vegas Mini Mantra. Welcome to my channel. So it's about to be spring, guys, and I have all these little weeds and tedious leaves in between my rocks. So how to pick up leaves and small rocks, guys. So your HOA is not going to be happy about it, and I'm sure it's bothering you on how to get rid of these leaves. So I've got the secret. If you haven't paid attention to my channel, I have all the little secrets around the house. So hopefully you guys subscribe after watching this video. So guys, you need this floor brush. And what this attachment does, it allows it to hover over the rocks, right? And massage into the rocks without vacuuming the rocks, guys. The way that this is constructed, I know you're seeing other videos of people vacuuming leaves, which is good for big bulky rocks, and I got a video for that as well. But for those small rocks, the way that this is constructed, it's angled just perfectly right to where it's vacuuming all those leaves while you're massaging it into the rocks and not vacuuming up the rocks, guys. So I like this one, this floor brush, because it's so bulky and it's not real plasticky like all those other brands by those wet vacuums, guys. I have a rigid wet vacuum. I highly recommend that one. It's a 16-gallon, but if you do not have, if you have a different particular vacuum, I'll try to find an adapter, because you got to pay attention to the diameters of this that connects to your wet vacuum. So I'll put a variety of adapters, but I'll put this one down below so you can find it. I'm going to show you in my yard how we're just going to massage this into the rocks and pick up all those tedious leaves. So let's get started with the video. Let's go. All right, guys, obviously you see all these leaves, right? All stuck in between these rocks. Of course, they have blowers, but the blowers cannot get the little leaves that are stuck into the rocks, right, guys? So we see these little leaves that are floating on top of the rocks here. So you can just use the tip of your wet vacuum without the attachment, and you basically just hover high, picking up the leaves. But there's still going to be leaves stuck in between the rocks that you just cannot get. So I'll show you an example how I pick up these leaves by just hovering this over the leaves, and then we'll use this attachment. As you can see, this is a 16-gallon. This lasts very long. I've had this for like 7 years. So here we go. All right, guys, so I just showed you an example. You're getting the leaves that are stacked up on the rocks. But to see the leaves I couldn't get that are stuck in between rocks, so we're gonna put on this attachment and just massage this area, guys. Here we go. All right, guys, just to show you, I'm not putting that much pressure, downward pressure. You're just basically hovering this around and massaging the rocks. You don't have to dig down and put pressure. You're just basically just moving it around, and it picks up all these leaves, guys. Here we go. All right, guys, so I hope I've been able to help you out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Give me a like and subscribe, guys. Bye.